Good morning, children. Good morning. Very good morning, beta. Okay. So today's our subject is play, do, learn. In that unit 3, we'll see pictures. Okay. Now, before starting the topic, I will do some activity. You just tell me what is I am doing. Okay. Now, with pleasure. Children, tell me.
Designing.
Yes, designing. Okay. Now, I will show you one video. Okay, children. Now see here. What is in this picture? This is a picture. So there is one boy who is doing with marker pen. Okay, that means he's trying to do some things. Okay, that is called scribbling with marker. Okay, now see in your textbook, page number 61. That is a pictures. In that 1.1 is scribbling. Okay, scribbling with pencil, scribbling with marker. Okay, now scribbling with colors. Student, scribbling means to draw, to write something with very carelessly, okay, or hurry. That means in hurry. That is called scribbling. In initial stage, that means in a pre-learning, that is a pre-primary class, you have to be practice the scribbling for writing. That is called scribbling. The scribbling means write or draw something carelessly or hurriedly. Hurriedly means in hurry. That is called scribbling. Now 1.1 is scribbling. Understood what is meant by the scribbling? Now, see, in your textbook, you have to be make some activity in the below pages. Okay? My activity. That means scrubbing with pen. Okay, right to scrubbing something. That is your activity. Yes, student, understood now? What is scribbling? Scribbling means write or draw something in carelessly. Okay, this is do in
Yes,
initial
teacher.
usage. Now all of you in first standard. Okay, that means you have to be know what is a scribbling. और आप लोग ने जूनियर केजी सीनियर केजी में आपने स्क्रबलिंग किया होगा. Okay, now see what is after the scribbling. There is a 1.2 fun with lines. Now see, in your page number 1.3 fun with lines. Okay, there are so many lines here given on page number 64. Okay, now we will see one by one. Horizontal lines. Okay, horizontal lines means the line which is like this. Okay, sleeping line. Horizontal line is also called sleeping lines. Vertical lines. Vertical lines means standing lines. See, this is a vertical line. Okay, this is a vertical line. That means standing. This is a vertical line. Understood, everyone? Now, diagonal lines. Diagonal lines.
Dando line.
Oh, yes, very good. Diagonal line is in this way.
Dando line.
Yes, diagonal line.
Diagonal lines.
Okay. Next, we'll see curve. Curve lines. Now, see, this is a curve. This is a curve.
Curve line.
Zigzag line. Zigzag
Zigzag
line.
line. Zigzag line.
See, this is a zigzag line.
Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag.
Up, down,
Down,
up, down. This is
up,
called
down.
zigzag line. Yes.
Up, down.
down,
Up, down. Up, down. Up,
down.
down.
Okay.
Up,
This is called zigzag line. So next one. Wavy lines. Okay. Wavy lines means like wave. Yes.
Rainy
Wave.
line.
Yes, wave. This is a called wave lines.
Wave line.
Yes, this is a wave lines. Horizontal lines. Horizontal line also called sleeping lines. Okay, this is a sleeping line. Next one is vertical lines. Vertical lines is also called standing lines. See, this is a standing lines.
Standing line.
Vertical lines. Diagonal lines. Okay, see, this is a diagonal lines. And next one is curved lines. Curve means
Curved
in
lines.
this way. This is curved lines. And after the curved line, there's a zigzag lines. Okay,
Zigzag
this
line.
is a zigzag lines. Next one is wavy lines. Wave lines.
Wavy line.
Okay. Understood, everyone? There are different types of lines. Horizontal lines, vertical lines, diagonal lines, zigzags lines, and wavy lines, which is given in your page number 64. Okay, all of you draw below. There is a one space is given activities. So that is your homework. You have to be draw there. See in these pictures. Here, my activities. Okay, now draw horizontal lines. This is for practice. Okay, now verticals line. Okay, next one is diagonals line. Okay, wavy lines, zigzag line. This is the types of lines. Okay, now see, here is a small, thin. This is a thin. Horizontal line is given. This is a thin line, and this one is dark. There are different shades of the lines. See, page number 63. Okay, now see, here there is some dots are given. Okay, you have to make with the help of the dots some pictures like triangle, leaf shape, okay, curve, rectangles. With the help of the dot, you have to make kite also. One with dots. Okay, now. Okay, now first in fun with the dots, let's fun make how to make a dot. Okay, now this is a small teeny dot. Next one is joining of dots. There are two dots from 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now join from one to the another. That is make one line. Now, okay, we can make different shapes by joining the dots. Now, make some dots. That is a 4. Okay, now join all the dots. After joining, you will see there's a picture of kite. Okay, there's a picture of kite. Joining all the dots, we can make kites also. We can make also different geometrical shape also. Again, draw 3 lines. Joining all them. Okay, that is a triangle. Okay. Now similarly, make 4 draws. 4 dots. Okay. Now join all the dots and we will make a rectangle. So in this
Rectangle.
yes, so in this way we can make some geometrical figures, kite. Okay. In this way we have to make so many things by adding the dots. Now see here. Use 3 straight line to connect all the dots and return to the starting point. Okay. So student, there is a challenge for you. I will give you 15 seconds. Okay. You have to be connect all the dots by straight line. Only 3 straight lines. Okay, all of you, let's try. Use 3 straight lines to connect all the dots and returning to the starting point. Okay, that means you have to draw only how many straight line? Only 3. And connect all the dots and come to the again in the starting points. Okay, do all of you. Try to solve it. It is a puzzle. There is a no rules. Okay, that is a no rules for adding the dots. You have to use your brain. There is no hard and fast rules. Okay, now I will tell you. Now, see. One, two, and this one is 3. That is starting from starting point is here. One straight line, second straight line, and last one is third straight line. That means we use 3 straight line to connect all the dots and returning to the starting point. That means here. One straight line, second straight line, third straight line, you come to the starting point. Okay, this is a triangle. By adding the 4 dots, we will make triangle. Okay, now do next one. Now see here, there are 9 dots. Connect them with only 3 straight lines. Student, try it. Am I audible to you? Yes, children.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now try beta. Connect them with a 3 straight line. There's a no rules, huh? But only things you have to make only 3 straight lines. By connect all the 9 dots. Done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Show me. Yes. Check your answer, all of you. Connect all the 9 dots. Understood, everyone? Okay. Now see here. Connect these 9 dots with 4 straight line. That is your homework. Okay. Connect these 9 dots with a 4 lines. Okay. Draw the 9 dot. All of you draw these 9 dots and try to connect all the dots with the 4 straight line. Now see, page number 69. On a textbook, please do and learn page number 69. There's a copywriting. In this, you have to be just copy the line which is given on the page. First one is, tell me, what is the name of first line? Ikra, Rehan, Noman. First line is a horizontal line. That is a standing line. Okay,
Standing
you
line.
have to be draw like this only. Yes, standing line. The second one is,
Sleeping line.
yeah, this one is a sleeping line. Okay. Next one,
Slanting line.
slanting line or diagonal line.
Diagonal
Now
line.
this is a circle. Yes, you have to be make
Circle.
circle. Yes. This one is curve.
Circle.
Next one is curve. Yes.
Curve.
Circle, half circle, curve. And this one is curve. Okay. Page
Yes.
number 69, you have to be drawn. This one is a horizontal lines. This is a horizontal line, vertical line, diagonal, circle. Yes, understood everyone? How to play with the dots.
Yes, teacher.
Now see, page number 63. My activity. In the page at 63, there are some dots are given. Take pencil in your hands and try to connect dot like this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay? It makes triangle. This one like this. Lines. Horizontal line. Okay? Yes, very good, Rehan. Naman, very good, beta. Okay, by this we have to be today study scribbling, one with lines and one with dots. Okay, understood everyone? Scribbling means draw or write something with very carelessly. Okay, that is a scribbling. How many types of line? First one is horizontal line. Second, vertical lines. Third, curve. Sorry, third one is diagonal. Fourth, curve lines, zigzag lines, wavy lines. Okay, start. Tell me, which line is this?
Line. Exact line. Exact line.
Very good. Rehan, very good, beta. This one is zigzag line.
Line.
And what is this?
Curve line.
Curve line. Yes.
Curve line.
And this one is
Standing line. Standing line.
standing line. That means horizontal line. Okay. And this one is, sorry, this is a vertical line. Sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Okay. Understood all of you? Yes.
Yes.
Today's homework, page number 64. Yes. Did you enjoy the session? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Remaining we will see in next lesson. Bye everyone.
Bye, teacher.
Today's homework, page number 64. Enjoy the session.
Yes, teacher.
Remaining we will see